What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and I'm coming at you today from Mount Charleston, which is about 45 minutes north of Las Vegas. We're up here in the mountains. Got a couple more minutes here of some sunlight. Give you guys a little view here of the mountains. So, pretty cool scenery up here. Wanted to kind of come up and get away from it all for a day, at least the afternoon anyway. Wanted to kind of spread a message of something very serious that happened this week, and I think it's very important that I get this message out there for any of you guys that are going through a tough time. One of my business associates, he was an affiliate marketer, and I've been kind of loaning him hard money loans for the last year and a half for campaigns and whatnot. Generally, I'd loan him, 30 grand or 20 grand or whatever, and he'd pay me back in a fairly timely fashion over the course of maybe 3 or 4 months. I'd usually get it all back, and then I'd kind of do another loan from him. Well, he took a loan from me in January of this year, and it was for $30K, and he paid me back about 15 of it. And I'd, hit him up about once a week, ask him, when more payments were coming or whatever. Wasn't really putting a lot of pressure on him. And earlier this week, he took his own life in his office. And come to find out, he owed not just me money, but other people money as well. And unfortunately, I think he just hit a low point and figured it was, no way out of the hole he was in for whatever reason. So very dark, circumstances for him. And, you sit here on the other end of the fence here, I'm out 15 grand, which is, a lot of money. And, it's unfortunate for me, but at the same time, he lost his life. So, he took his own life, and it's very, very upsetting. So I wanted to kind of talk about, just everybody out there about the, going through low times. Everybody goes through low times in their businesses, and especially in affiliate marketing. It's one of those type of businesses that, unfortunately, it's not a consistent type of income. Okay, what happens is you hit a campaign, you make a lot of money typically for a month or two, and then after a month or two goes by, sometimes 3 months, maybe you get out of a campaign, you lose that campaign, and you got to kind of start all over again. And I know my media buyer's been kind of fighting some depression lately because he'll go through we'll make a lot of money real quick. I won the ClickBank Platinum 2019 award, and we did really well up through about April, and then from April on, it wasn't as profitable. Now we are running campaigns right now that are doing okay, but we aren't making the money like we were in like the winter time. Generally, the quarter four and in winter months are better in the affiliate marketing world when there's more people online. Most of the countries in the winter, at least in the U.S., and more people are online, and basically there's just more people, and the traffic costs less. Okay, that's what it boils down to, and you can actually make more profit in those months. But everybody goes through tough times, man. And you can always make more money, and that's kind of what I wanted to talk about here. Like, one thing you definitely never want to do is, if you got a decent stream of income coming in, say you got a decent job or something, and you want to get into affiliate marketing, I would definitely make sure that you have at least a good 6 months maybe of income, like living expenses built up and set aside, because if a campaign goes bad and you got a campaign running, you need to be able to get through the tough times, because you don't know when the next campaign is going to come. It just doesn't work like that. There's no guarantees in this business, unfortunately. So I really wanted to talk to you guys about, have money coming in. Okay, don't jump into like Shopify or affiliate marketing or Amazon FBA without any money coming in. You got to have like a decent stream of income, like whether it's a job or whatever, because all these businesses everybody's selling you online, including myself, who teaches affiliate marketing. There's no guarantee of income. Okay, these are good businesses. You can make a lot of money really quick, at least in affiliate marketing, and even Shopify if you hit a winning product. But at the end of the day, finding a winning product and getting a good affiliate campaign is not easy. Okay, it's hard. It takes skill. It takes time. It takes testing. It takes money. And all those things, you need to have something coming in to pay your mortgage and your rent and your food. And I can see where things could get very, I guess, grim if you don't have any money coming in and you're trying to hit a campaign and you're spending money to try to test and you're not making money. It's a tough situation, and it can be very, very depressing. Okay, and I know my media buyer's gone through this, and obviously the other affiliate marketer that took his life this week, he went through this, and it's just very, it's very tough, okay? So I just wanted to get that message out there. If you guys are going through tough times financially, make sure you find yourself like a very stable type of income coming in, whether it be like a 9 to 5. Just have that money coming in, and before you even think about getting rid of that steady income, okay, make sure you go and actually have about 6 months put aside, because you're going to go through some times where money's not going to be coming in, and if you don't have a way to pay your rent, mortgage, food, car payment, you're going to go through some tough times, and you don't want to be in that dark place where my buddy went this week, and it was very unfortunate to see that happen. But hopefully you guys got something out of today. Make sure you are prepared for those tough times in this business. And I'm the Marketing Meathead signing off. Make sure you like this video if you got something out of it. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.